how to turn on new subscribers to page events on Facebook, notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on new subscribers to page event notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find the storylines in the top corner, click on it and then just scroll down. Here you will find pages, click on it and then click select your page, and then just click this settings icon in the top corner and click notifications and click on Facebook. You will find this one here like that. All you need to do is just click on it one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.